cold day, busy schedule, this easy one-pan chili is hearty, comforting, and comes together with simple ingredients. Let's get started. We'll start by prepping the veggies. My family loves extra vegetables in our chili, so today I'm using 2 stalks of celery, 2 small brown onions, and 1 bell pepper. Chop everything into chunky pieces. No need to be precise, since they'll simmer until soft. Feel free to use any vegetables you love. When I cut bell peppers, I like to remove the core this way so nothing goes to waste. It's cleaner, easier, and saves every usable piece. Once the veggies are chopped, set them aside. Heat a pan over medium heat and add about 1 tablespoon of oil. If you like a little heat, sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. I'm using 1 pound of 95% lean ground beef and 1 pound of 93% lean ground turkey, so there's no need to drain excess grease. Break the meat up into small pieces. For convenience, I'm using 2 packets of chili seasoning, 1 hot and 1 less sodium, but feel free to use regular if you prefer. Start by seasoning the meat with the first packet. Add the vegetables and season everything with the second packet, mixing well to coat evenly. Now add 1 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes, 1 10-ounce can of diced tomatoes with green chilies, and 1 15-ounce can of tomato sauce. Stir well. Then add 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste to deepen the flavor and give the chili a richer, thicker body. If your chili feels too thick at this point, add about 6 ounces of water or broth to loosen it up. Finish with 2 teaspoons of garlic powder or fresh minced garlic, and optionally 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper if you like extra heat. Stir until everything is well combined. Cover and let it simmer for about 1 hour. While the chili simmers, drain 1 can of kidney beans and 1 can of black beans. You can use any beans you like, but this combination is our favorite. After 1 hour, this is what the chili looks like. Add the beans. Stir well. And taste to adjust seasoning if needed. Cover again and simmer for another 10 minutes. And this is our labor of love. The chili is thick, rich, and deeply flavorful, with tender meat and vegetables that have softened beautifully. It smells warm and comforting, and every bite just melts in your mouth. We can't wait to dig in. Top it however you like. Ours get shredded cheddar, sour cream, fresh cilantro, and chopped green onions. It's easy, comforting, and absolutely perfect for a cold day. This easy one-pan chili is simple, hearty, and packed with flavor. Great for busy nights or cozy weekends at home. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Stay warm, and I'll see you in the next delicious video.